In this video I want to show you a little trick how to build a busking show recorder. So let's say that you're busking a lot, but you also want to remember what you were doing and you want to recall maybe some things that you did while busking. I thought about a little macro about this. So let's start. The idea is that we are working in busking, we're using the programmer, but we're also using queues. And at some point, I just want to rapidly record the whole state of what I'm doing into a queue stack, and I want to recall it later. So let's start with the macro. Let's go to macro. I'm going to start my macro now, and I'm going to start by pressing programmer, view levels, snapshot, record, and press the S button of my playback 10 where I want to record all my states. Then I press also close and end macro. Now I'm going to call this my busk recorder, and what I'm going to do is in view data I'm going to set it here my first step to 0.01 frames, retime everything and set the timing to internal timecode so it goes fast. This is something that doesn't really work with the timing immediate, and step per tick is a little bit slow. So I found that with internal timecode it's acceptable to do it. Once I've done this, I'm just gonna assign this macro by pressing assign macro, and I'm gonna assign it to my S button of my playback 10. So now that this is done, I'm just gonna name my playback 10 busk recorder. So the S button now will always perform this macro, but I still have the possibility to use the on-screen soft button to double click to open my queue stack, to go into the options, etc. So I'm just gonna start working. I have my profiles here, I'm in red, and I want to record this state now. Press S. This will automatically create me a new queue, and if I go into this queue, it's exactly the whole state of my programmer, which is recorded into my queue stack. So let's go back. Now I'm working only with queues. So here these are palettes, and here are color queues, for example. So I say that now I'm running this color queue green. This state I want to record it. Press S, clear, go into Q3, and it's recorded exactly this. It's more about a little trick and a way to record certain queues and certain states that you do while you're busking, but you might need to reuse them later on, because once I've done this, I have no problem to just launch this queue stack and go through them and recall any of the states that I recorded before. See you next time.